Dbot 711 is equipped with Smart Navi 2.0 technology to map your home and clean in a systematic pattern to cover every inch, with multiple cleaning modes. Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility. A simple remote and Ecovacs home app connectivity, Dbot is ready to tackle any mess. Battery specifications type mAh. Li-ion 2600 mAh. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Easy to enjoy life. Your robot cleans at a non-intrusive and low-noise level, leaving a quiet space for your family and activities. Number 2. Easy for deeper cleanings. Dbot 711 Max Mode increases suction power by up to 2x and works on both hard floors and carpets. Number 3. Easy to use. You can start, stop, or charge your Dbot with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, the remote control, or from your mobile device with the Ecovacs Home app. Number 4. Easy to clean under furniture. With its 3.2 inches height low-profile design, Dbot 711 can easily clean dirt from under the furniture and hard-to-reach places. Number 5. Smart Navi 2.0. Maps your home while cleaning and creates the perfect systematics cleaning path. Never clean the same place twice. Cleans up to greater than 11,000 square feet per cycle. Number 6. Voice and app controls. Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. Ecovacs Smart App comes with 5+ advanced features including direct control, scheduling, status updates, cleaning modes, accessory status, etc. Number 7. Max Mode Power. Increase suction power by up to 2x for particularly troublesome messes. Use with auto clean or specialized edge and spot mode cleaning. Number 8. Up to 130-minute runtime. A longer battery life for even more cleaning. Auto return and charging means your robot will always be ready to clean. Number 9. Standard, 1 year. Comes with 1 charging dock, 4 side brushes, 2 high-efficiency air filters, 1 remote control with battery, 1 cleaning tool, customer support, charge time, 4 hours. Number 10. Mapping exclusive optical lens. Smart Navi 2.0 with visual mapping allows Dbot 711 to clean better and cover the entire area. Number 11. Glass surface, for more elegance, easy clean, and resistance to wear and scratches. Number 12. Large dustbin, located at the front and easy to remove. The large dustbin and the Dbot 711's high-efficient filter are ideal for bigger and better cleanings. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.